Welcome beta testers to Hyperfun's quick start guide for the H5160W and H5180W. This video will cover installation for mobile platforms. The first step is to assemble the camera. Start by attaching the antenna, then plug one end of the Ethernet cable to the back of the camera, and the other end into your modem router. The final step is to plug in the power supply. The camera will then power up and its head will begin to turn. From here we can proceed with configuration through the Hyperfun mobile app. Next we'll cover camera configuration through the mobile app. First, ensure that your mobile device is connected to your wireless network. Next, download the Hyperfun Plus app, which can be downloaded from the beta section of the Hyperfun website. After you've installed Hyperfun Plus, run the app. To add the new camera, select Add Device. You could also use that search device in LAN to scan for the device after it's been connected to your modem via Ethernet connection. From there, choose the camera from the list, or by scanning the QR code that can be found on the bottom of the camera. On the next screen, fill in the username and password, which is admin, for both by default. On the mobile app, ensure that the camera's status is listed as online before proceeding. Now we will cover connecting the camera to your Wi-Fi network. On the app's main menu, select the gear next to the camera's name. From there, select Wi-Fi. On the Wi-Fi menu, select the scan button to populate the list of wireless networks. Select your wireless network, enter in the password and select Done on the touch screen. Once connected, you will receive a notification that the camera will reboot. At that point, disconnect the Ethernet cable from the camera, and once it powers back up, it will connect automatically to your wireless network. Now we will discuss the alarm function and its configuration. The alarm settings let you turn on motion detection, adjust the sensitivity for the motion detection trigger, email notification, the option to record when the alarm is triggered, and to upload a screenshot of the triggered event to your email. Now we'll have a look at the email configuration settings. Successful email configuration will allow the camera's software to send notifications to an email of your choosing. 2 email accounts will be necessary in order for this feature to work. One receives the alerts and another sends them. For this example, we will use Gmail's SMTP settings. For those of you who use Gmail, these SMTP settings are accurate. Just replace our email addresses with your own. This next section we will cover the mobile app's video stream mode. In video stream mode, tap the middle of the screen, or the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner of the screen to display the icons. Starting from the bottom left corner, we have the audio mute, screenshot capture, a record button, the resolution settings, presets, brightness, contrast, a button that reverts all changes back to default settings, infrared lamp settings, the menu button, screen flip, mirror image, and the motion zone mask settings. When the motion sensor mask has been activated on video stream mode, a grid will appear across the camera's video stream. On this screen you can select sections of the camera's view that the sensor will purposefully ignore. This feature is good for ignoring objects that can be affected by the wind, or changes in lighting, in an attempt to reduce the amount of false positives that are detected by the motion sensor. To use the grid, simply tap each grid sector until the desired areas are covered. To return to the stream, simply tap your phone's back button or the 3 dots. From the main menu of the app, there are options near the bottom of the screen for viewing recent alarm-triggered events, pictures, and recorded video. Simply tap each button to see past notifications and recordings. Thank you for watching the H5160W and H5180W Beta Quick Start Guide. Should any of you beta testers have any questions that are not covered in this video, please send an email to us at betatest@hyperfuntech.com. It is because of your efforts we are able to improve upon our products. Again, thank you from all of us at Hyperfun Tech.